Okay, let's talk about this action. This could be any day, and this advice would suffice for any day like this. So we opened up, went up, came back down, and then it shot up like a rocket. And it can be very, very, very frustrating when you see a market skyrocket and you're not in it. Or you could have been like me and I was actually in it down here, but because of the whippy back and forth, I made like nothing. I was like, no big deal. We'll just wait. And then it just skyrockets. And you're sitting there going, crap. And then you start having the accumulation of negative emotions. You can't just jump on the train, as we call it, and just go long. I'm going long. That is not a repeatable strategy, so that's not part of our core strategy. If we're not given an entry, we don't enter. And so after this thing skyrockets up to here, my personal frustration, and I know it came out on Zoom, I apologize to my traders, I was really frustrated. I was like, how did I miss this move when I was long here? And it was very frustrating. And what you want to do as a mature trader is realize you're having those negative emotions. And my gut is I wanted to short. Gonna be honest, I wanted to freaking short because I missed the run up. Now, it's ironically, I did short up here and I made 14 points on this. But the point of this video is when you miss out on a trade, in this case, you either needed to be flat or long. And if you weren't long, you're flat until this calms down. That's what you have to do. You have to wait till price calms back down. Same thing in this run up in the afternoon. By the time it broke somewhere in here, if you weren't already long, you're done. Just move on. You're not going to get rich today if you miss that trade. No big deal. The market is open tomorrow. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. It's okay. And if you miss the move, the proper discipline, the proper trading maturity is to close your chart and come back later and analyze the price action with a clear set of eyes. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. I missed the trade. It's no big deal. I only made like 1 point here. No big deal. I'll attack it later. I might need to get up and go take a break. You might need to get up and go for a mile walk. It's amazing what distance from the charts will do for you mentally. So if you miss the move, no big deal. The casino is open tomorrow, right? It's always going to be here. You miss the move, who cares? Even if you knew it was going up, I just knew it was going up. That's not a reason to enter a trade. Here's kind of my requirement for myself. If I wouldn't draw that level on the end of the day charts inside of our Discord group, which means this is an official trade based off of our core strategy, everyone should be drawing that exact line and everyone should be taking that exact trade. If I cannot draw that line as the leader of the group, I should not be taking that trade. And I would encourage you that whatever your system is, if you have that 3 to 5 trades, if it does not match that 3 to 5 trades, you just simply don't take it. And if you miss the move, so what? Take a break, move on. The market is open tomorrow. All right, traders, see you later.